Hi, my name is Darcy. We're in sunny Pensacola at MarineMax. I'm here to show you this just in new 2021 275 Freedom by Grady-White with twin 200s. As you can see, they have the new electronic steering controls, allow precision steering. These are bolt-on. As we go through the back, we have the large fish locker and live well, bench seat, and proceeding forward, an articulating lounge that allows you to relax and entertain. To the helm, again with the Helmmaster ES, we have the new digital controls that allow single station steering, joystick with drift point, fish point, and helm control with autopilot now built in, and a new key fob now to lock the system out. This is the CL7 LC gauge with tilt wheel and hydraulic steering. Plenty of room, full-size head, macerator and pump, and fusion stereo system, 4 speakers. Spacious bow with casting platform. It does have a filler cushion in it, live well. There is storage underneath, and above you there's a nice hard top with colored match and retractable sunshade. Come on down and see this boat and many others like it at MarineMax Pensacola.